Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got unboxings for you. So one is from Buzz Agent, and this one I just have to review, use it a couple times and then review it, and it is absolutely free. So I'm gonna be opening this one first. I'm excited. So it just comes in its little container. So this is what it looks like. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. And that's what it looks like. This is 24-hour daily lightwear hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with Glanical something. So this is what it looks like. It's for hydration. So I'm going to be having to use this soon. Right now it is sealed. So is this for like day and night? Let's see, 24 hours. I might wear it day and night because I like to wear, I have a night routine and a morning routine. So I might put this on twice a day. So that is nice. It's in a decent amount. It's probably like the middle range. These are pretty much expensive. Let's see. I don't have my Sephora hooked up on my iPad, so let's see if I can. Sorry. Oh my goodness. So let's see how much you are worth. KIEHLS. Right now they're doing a 25% off on their website. I should have been prepared because I knew it was coming. This is 1.7 fluid ounce, so 50 ml. Yeah, it's in like the middle range. So it's $33 for this cream. So I'm excited for this. It is a 1.7, yep. So you can find it at Ulta for $33. That is pretty nice to start off the year with. And then this box right here. And I like shopping at Ulta instead of Sephora. A lot of people like to shop at Ulta instead of Sephora. So if you guys may know, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted what I got. It's pretty freaking heavy. I only got one thing. So this is what it looks like. And it was shipped like overseas. I guess Kaleidos is like far away. So yeah, it says makeup on the bright side. So that's cute. It's a cute box. Okay. I'm trying to open this box. So here's what it looks like. Oh my god. Kaleidos makeup on the bright side. Thank you for your support. Together we can make the future of makeup bright. Okay, this is the first time I purchased this, so they packaged it pretty good. For one small palette. Oh, it's pretty big. It is like hefty. Okay, so they packaged it really good. I like to clean my brushes on these, so I'm gonna keep that. And this is what it looks like. It has a bubble wrap, so it should be in great condition. Oh my gosh, this is the Flower Punk palette. It looks gorgeous already. So you open it like this. Oh my gosh, this is so different. Oh wow, okay. Oh my, it's like a mirror inside. So that's what it looks like. That is so cute. This is so beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? So let's see. Chris and Kathy, I think you're gonna, you need to get this, Chris. That is gorgeous. It looks like Melt Cosmetics. Oh my gosh. It has Mint Fever, Aloe Cove, Stained Glass, Mouveau, Peach Soju, some weird name, CHLOROPHYLL, Golden Age, Sun Gazer, Earth Ship. That is gorgeous. It reminds me of Melt Cosmetics. Oh, in the back. Look at that. That is so neat. So you take off the top. It's just a mirror. Oh, this packaging is so beautiful. Do you want me to do an eye look sometime? I will do swatches and eye look because I want to play with this palette. So that is the unboxing. This is Flower Punk palette. It's magnetized, so that's pretty fun. So that's what it looks like. It is like really heavy. That is really nice. I'm excited. So this was $37, and then plus shipping was $10, so it came out $47, $46. Excuse me, for this palette. So almost $50 for a palette. And they shipped it like overseas, like it was like in China. So that is gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it. I'm excited to play with this palette. This is from John and I's 7th anniversary. So yeah, the longest relationship I've ever been in, and going strong. So thank you to John for the first palette of the year. Next palette I want to get is, I've been keeping my eye out of Beauty Bay. It looks like they're gonna release a palette soon on the 31st. So they had the Wild something. I might get that palette, or I want to see what the new one looks like before I purchase it. So I'm gonna ask John, can you give me this for Valentine's Day? Because Beauty Bay is the next palette I think I want to try out. And then there's Odin's Eye on my list still, but they're about like the same price as Kaleidos and the Natasha Denona palette, but they're like $130. So yeah. The next palette I want to get is Beauty Bay for sure. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. And right now Beauty Bay has palettes on sale. So if you want to try Beauty Bay out, The palettes are a really good deal, so check that out. They're on sale right now because I was looking at them today. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.